Welcome back to the 3D Printing for a Successful Business course. In our last module, we discussed the basics and benefits of 3D printing technology. Now, let's dive into the fascinating history and evolution of this transformative technology. The origins of 3D printing. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, has its roots dating back to the 1980s. The first 3D printing technology, called stereolithography, was developed by Chuck Hull in 1986. This process used UV lasers to selectively cure photopolymer resins, layer by layer, to create three-dimensional objects. Over the next decade, other 3D printing processes emerged, such as fused deposition modeling (FDM) and selective laser sintering (SLS). These methods allowed for the use of a wider range of materials, including plastics, metals, and ceramics. The rise of consumer 3D printing. As 3D printing technologies advanced, they became more accessible and affordable for individual users. In the early 2000s, the RePrap project, an open-source initiative, helped drive the development of low-cost desktop 3D printers. The introduction of desktop 3D printers, such as the MakerBot and Ultimaker, marked a significant milestone in the democratization of 3D printing. These affordable and user-friendly machines brought 3D printing capabilities into homes and small businesses, sparking a wave of creativity and entrepreneurship. Continued advancements in 3D printing. In the past decade, 3D printing has continued to evolve at a rapid pace. Innovations in materials, print speeds, and print quality have expanded the applications of this technology. Today, we can 3D print a wide range of products, from medical implants and prosthetics to consumer goods and industrial parts. Furthermore, the integration of 3D printing with other technologies, such as computer-aided design, CAD software, and 3D scanning, has further enhanced the design and manufacturing process. The future of 3D printing. As we look towards the future, the potential of 3D printing is truly endless. Advancements in areas like multi-material printing, metal 3D printing, and bioprinting are opening up new frontiers in manufacturing, healthcare, and beyond. Entrepreneurs and businesses that embrace this evolving technology will be well-positioned to capitalize on the opportunities it presents. Stay tuned as we explore the different types of 3D printers and how to choose the right one for your business. Call to action. If you're excited about the potential of 3D printing and want to learn more, be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay up to date with the upcoming modules in this course. Together, we'll dive deeper into the world of 3D printing and uncover strategies to help you build a successful 3D printing-based business.